Basically, once you sign up here, you want to have 100 free credits. That is the basic plan, free credits. Do you understand? Say you want to earn more credits, okay? Referral task level up more credits. You can start now and get credits by inviting friends. So up to 4,340 credits. You just copy this code. Anyone you invite to join, okay? See who has joined. Anyone you invite to join, you invite one person, you have 100 credits. You have invite three person join through this referral code. Do you understand? You gain credit. So this is another way you can add up, more credit, stack up credit. And then here is daily login detail. Here is daily reward. Daily login is 60 credits per login. Okay, I've already claimed this. Do you understand? Now, the moment one-time rewards, download app. Moment with that, if you can download this app, if you are using your mobile phone, download this app and earn 30 more credits. You can customize your profile and earn 10 credits. So you can literally start here. And I mean, any of these options, you can start, optimize this and reset password, right? Then you start. Okay, so I'm going to claim my own 10 credits. Awesome. So go ahead and hit OK. So once you customize your password, you have a login again, right? Once you log in again, your 10 credit will be added to your account. So with that, you have more credit to generate more videos as you want. And you can do this using even multiple email. Awesome. So let's see, like I was saying, I've already claimed this, claimed. So you're going to claim that, okay, because I've optimized it, so I've claimed it. So once you log in again, okay, with your password and everything, come back here and claim it. You see, I've claimed this, right? So you have image here, right? And we also have video. With video, you can literally use a reference image, and we also have reference here where you can upload up to 1 to 7 reference image to create video. For example, you reference image 1, image 2. So if you whatever, and you can literally extend, okay, anything that you are, please describe the content to be extended for this video. So the moment you generate your video, you can extend it. So guys, let's proceed. I'm going to use text to video because I don't have any reference image, okay? And every generation costs 25 credit. You can see here, right? Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and select my model. Click here to select your model. We have Happy Horses here. This is more than our credit. Okay, so for you to use Grok, you need to upgrade to their pro. See all these platforms, you cannot use all these top models. A lot of them, you cannot use top models for free, but I mean, they still have options for you to still use. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this particular, the first one. You see, this is free, right? Let's go ahead and try this for 25 credits. Okay, so let's see the production, let's see the image outcome. Now the video have started immediately, so click here to collapse the panel so they can see how it is going. So guys, I'll recommend this for you while we are waiting for more platforms that we can literally explore. Remember, I'm still doing my research where you can keep generating your videos for free without spending so much, okay? And also using some free credits, and also for you to use your top models, okay, to use and create. And we also explore other models too. So guys, let's see what the output looks like. Okay, so guys, just within a short period of time, the video is here. Let's play this. Guys, if you ask me, the result is not bad. You see the perfect lip sync. So the result is not literally bad. The watermark, we download the watermarks. Don't worry, because the moment you take it to your CapCut or your editing platform, you can literally remove the watermark. And you can come here to upscale it to HD. You can add speech here, and you can literally, work on your, like modify it, okay? You can modify your prompt here by just adding what you want to change. Okay, tap at, a particular video and all of that. So this is at what point do you want to make the changes? Do you understand? So you can literally do that and generate again, and then you can close here. So this platform gives you ability to edit your video even after creation. So this is quite interesting and amazing. So let's see what our image is 5 credits, and the model here is Queen M. You can use Nano Banana, is free. GPT image is also here for free. So you can go ahead and use 15 credits for that. So go ahead and hit generate. Let's see the quality of the image that will be generated on this platform. So guys, this is what you are going to be using for your next project. I assure you that the result is insane. Honestly, you love the result. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this particular platform. And guys, our image is here. I want to pay attention to the realism of the entire image. Okay, now you can see our image is absolutely clear enough, right? So you can go ahead and click download. So we are going to use this particular image, okay, to turn it to video. So you see, from here you can actually click on this video and you add it to this part. Like you add it up here for us to generate our for us to animate it. So this is how you're going to be using it if you want to maintain consistency. And maybe if you have multiple scenes, like multiple scenes, I'm going to take it here, scene one here. Okay, so I'm going to use 25 um credit again. Okay, so go ahead and hit generate. Guys, our video is here. Let's play it. Okay, so this is our scene one, right? So go ahead and hit download. Okay, so let's go ahead and extend it to our scene two. Okay, this is actually beautiful, guys. So from here, I'm going to extend this from the part that she was very close to him. You can see that, right? Now, this is an extended version of our scene one. So this is how the method you'll be using to generate more of your video. Like if you have a long form video, okay, use this method to extend your video and keep generating to maintain consistency. So we're going to see the final result, okay? And while we're waiting for the video to load, let me quickly show you their plans, okay? So you can go ahead and check it out and try it out yourself, okay? Now this is it. Now you have just $8 per month, which is fair enough. Also, let's get back to our creation. So let's see the extended version of that. Okay, what we just did now, we have extended this video. So we want to see if it actually works. Let's see, that's extended to 10 seconds. Watch. So let's expand this. Wow. Guys, did you see that? So this is insane. I would say this. This is beautiful. Honestly, I love it. Okay. Now, if you want to extend to complete our scene, I want to complete our scene. And let's say I want to reduce this to 4 seconds. It will reduce to 20 credits. So the higher the duration, the higher the credits we are going to use. So here I can reduce it to 3 seconds. We have 15 credits. So let's maintain 3 seconds because my next scene is not that long. Okay, awesome. So I've used my 100 credit to generate how many videos? Like about 3 scenes. So guys, this is what you are going to be using on this platform to generate your project. So if you have a project, please jump on this and start using this platform. Remember, you can invite friends, okay? You can invite friends using this code to claim more credits. Yeah. So if you don't have money to pay yet, and then you can actually use your mobile phone to access this platform and then download the mobile app and gain 30 free credits. With this, it will serve you a lot. I mean, it will go a long way. Okay. Let me know what you think about this platform. I mean, if you've not seen this platform before, and if you've started using it, let me know also in the comment section of this video. And if you love the result you are seeing, let me also know in the comments. So like, let's see the final output. We've extended it to look at it has been a 14 seconds long video. Now guys, let's watch this.
What exactly are you looking at?
And guys, if you've watched it this time, thank you, and let me know what you think about this. We are still exploring more tools. I mean, more tools that can give you access to free credits like this and even more. So keep your eye on this channel because more tools will be coming moving forward. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the post notification so you don't miss my next upload. And guys, until then, guys, see you in the next one.